Hey guys, it's really amazing to have you here today and welcome to Tech Globe. And today we are looking at how to download and install CodeBlocks. All right, CodeBlocks IDE. You're basically for running programs, C and C++ programs. All right, that's what we want to show you how you can download as well as install CodeBlocks IDE on your computer. So if you're on the same page, let's jump right in so that we begin to do that as soon as possible. So the first you need to do, you head over to your browser. You could be using Firefox, Edge, or Chrome. I'm using Chrome, so I'll just go over here and type CodeBlocks download. I'll hit that and it's going to load. It's going to pump this up. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll come over here, codeblocks.org. I'm going to click on this first link and it's going to load up. So it will take me here, two options, binary release or source code. So this one, basically, this is what you need to run your code. This is sufficient. So I'll go ahead and click on this and it's going to load up. So it will take me here and I'll navigate. I'll move my cursor down here. All right. So I'll move it here. So what you are looking for is CodeBlocks 20.03 MIG-W.setup exact. So this is what you are looking for. So you either click on Fox Hub or you click on sourceforge.net. So I'll click on this. Either of them works. So I'll click on Fox Hub and it's going to load up and bring me here. So basically you are going to look for all right, it's downloading. I click on that. So I'll go ahead and just cancel it because I have that already. So that is downloaded already on my system. It's just for me to come here and show you where it is because I've downloaded that already. So I'll come here and yes, this is a CodeBlocks. So you can see this is it, exactly what we have there. So I'll just click on this, run as administrator. So you could just go ahead and run that, download that, and it's going to be the same. So you want to program changes? Yes, I'll click on yes. So it's going to load up. All right. So yeah, so the installation I've started. So I just need you to focus so that I guide you through in this so that you get the step-by-step illustration of how you set it up. So I'll click on next. Just go ahead and click on I agree. Then yes, just follow the setup. You don't need to change anything. Click on next. All right. Here destination folder, asking where do you want to save it to. All right, you could come here and change. Is in program files, CodeBlocks. You could come browse and save it to any other folder you want to change it to, but for me it's okay here. It's okay, it's cool here. So I'll go ahead and click on install. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on install. So it's going to download all the required files and folders that are needed to run CodeBlocks successfully. All right, it's going to load up, and download all of that. So let me just pause and all right, so it's going to quickly. All right, so let's see. Let's light finish installing. Okay, so yes, it's going to pop up this. Do you want to install CodeBlocks now? So I'll click on yes. So it's loading, just a second. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on next. All right, so CodeBlocks has been stored on your computer. Click finish to close setup. So I'll click on finish. All right, so this is it. So I'll just wait for it to come up. So it's going to pop up. So just in a few seconds, we are going to see it coming up. So this is it. CodeBlocks is up. So what we are going to do, the next thing we are going to do right now, we are going to come here and we're going to show you what all of this represent and how you can run your program here, your C or C++ program here on CodeBlocks. So let me maximize this, and I have this. So the first thing I'm going to show you how you can run your own program, as well as how you can take an external a file, you know, a C or C++ file you written earlier. You can import it, bring it up to CodeBlocks and run it. So that's the first thing we are going to do. First, you can import and run a file. All of these menu exit, there are a lot of things here which you gradually know how they work, settings and all of that. Then these are shortcuts: open, save everything and all of that. So if you come here, you have build and run. So let's demonstrate all of that work with a project. So if I come here, I could go to new, empty file, then start coding, or I could open a file, recent file, import a project, you know, save and all of that. So all these, some of these shortcuts I already showed you here are here. So first thing, let me just drop a file. Let me drop a file from here. So I could just drop a random file. Okay, I have some C files here. So let me pick this and drop it. I'll just drop it on CodeBlocks here. All right. Okay, let's see if, oh, okay, let's just go ahead and create this. I go to file, new, and empty file. So I'll click on empty file. So we could just write a simple C program. So to do that, I'll just go ahead and come here, do include standard input output .h. Then we'll come here and we do int main. This is our main, this our function main. Then we come here and we are not passing any argument, so I'll come here and put in my curly braces. Then what do I want to print? I'll use a printer function and I'll print hello world. This is my first program, right? So I'll just print that. Then I'll come down here and return 0. So this is just basically a simple C program that prints this to the console, to the output. So after doing this, I'll come here and click on save. You can get it here, save file as. So I'm just going to say my file .c. Okay, I'll hit enter. So I've saved this. Okay, the next thing I'll go and I can come here. If I come here, you have build and run, build. If you are building, you build, and as well come back and run. But there's a button here that does everything at the same time. And if you don't want to use that, there's a shortcut here. build and run. So if I hit this, it's going to build that. If there are no errors, going to build and run that file. Okay. All right, so you see the output has popped up, hello world, this is my first program. So you see, so smooth, we will be able to do that. So now basically, let's see if I could see drop what I was trying earlier. Okay, basically this is it, guys. You could try it out. Maybe I don't know what's happening. This is it. You have been able to write a simple program using this illustration. You get used to all of these tools here inside. As you code along, you get used to all of them. So thank you. And basically we have learned how to download and install CodeBlocks IDE on our system. I'll see you in the next video.